Today's video is about the future of UK citizenship rules and what changes may appear in the next 2 years. Now, let's start. The future of UK citizenship rules is something every migrant watches closely. Students, workers, and long-term planners all want to know if rules will become easier or stricter. The UK government never changes citizenship rules suddenly. They always give signals first. These signals come through statements, reports, and immigration debate. If you understand these signals early, you can prepare yourself and avoid surprises. Every government follows its own approach. Some attract skilled workers, others reduce migration. Recently, the UK has adjusted immigration routes because of shortages, NHS pressure, and post-Brexit needs. When the economy needs more workers, rules become flexible. When the focus is on controlling numbers, rules become tighter. Citizenship rules follow these same patterns. One possible future change is a review of residency requirements for naturalization. Right now, most people need 5 years of residence plus 1 year on ILR. Government discussions show this timeline may be reviewed in the future. This does not confirm changes, but it shows the UK is reassessing long-term needs. Another area under discussion is the Life in the UK test. Experts say the test contains outdated information and needs modern topics. So within the next 2 years, the test may become more practical and relevant. English language requirements may also see small adjustments. Some experts want higher standards, while others want easier formats and more support. Digital immigration systems will continue to expand and may cover ILR and citizenship. This means faster decisions, fewer documents, and easier tracking. The good character requirement might also get clearer guidelines. Changes in work visas, health and care routes, and family visas will shape future citizenship numbers. Political changes and new leadership can also shift UK immigration direction. Whatever changes come, prepare early, stay informed, and follow the rules carefully.